Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Classy.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and this week we will talk about implementing date, time, and location controls on Desk Director forms. In the Desk Director admin portal, open a new or existing form, click Add New Question to include a new field, then expand the options list by clicking the three-dot menu and select Date. Enter your question title and subtitle, and configure the Date text box, which allows users to select a date using a calendar control. If multiple entries are needed for this field, use the Multi-Entries drop-down menu to choose the appropriate option, and toggle the date switches to activate or deactivate them.
To add a time field, click Add New Question, then expand the options list by clicking the three-dot menu and select Time. Enter the question title and subtitle, and configure the time text box where users will input the time. If multiple entries are needed, use the Multi-Entries drop-down box to choose the appropriate option.
To add a location field, click Add New Question, then expand the options list by clicking the three-dot menu and select Address. Enter the question title and subtitle, and configure the address text box for user input. If you want to limit the address to a specific country, choose the country from the Country drop-down box. To change the language, use the Language drop-down box. Finally, click Save to save the form. And that's how you implement date, time, and location controls on your Desk Director's form.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.